Welcome to school.
Waiter, where's that young man? So I was thinking that after here, instead of us to rush home, we can just stay here and rest a while.
Yeah, it's good.
How much is short time in this your hotel?
Short time? I don't get it, sir.
Like a room where me and my baby can just rest small.
We have several rooms, but the cheapest is 20,000.
Jesus is
20,000. For how many years?
For an hour, sir.
1 hour, 20,000.
Yes,
sir. Actually, I already have somewhere else, so I think we should just go to that place. So we took 2 Coke. So go and bring my change.
No.
Give me change. We are leaving.
No, a bottle is 1.5.
What?
Coke.
Yes, sir.
Coke.
McDonald's.
Is this alcoholic Coke? This is normal mineral now. The one that's selling on the naira.
No. You use the VIP. This area is 1.5. If the other side is 1,000 naira.
Coke that I have not even finished. 1.5. So this is how people used to do in this place. No, this is how you used to do. I can't take this. Baby, wait for me.
Big boy, pay.
If I'm a big boy, is that why I should buy Coke? 1.5?
No.
1.5. Give me 1 minute, I'm coming. I've heard your story. I don't buy them for Mama Nome, please. Something Mama Nome is selling 100 naira. So, for what now? I can't take this nonsense. Young man, this is your Coke. We are done. So, your work is to sit down here and sell Coke 1.5. Coke your mate are selling 100 naira outside. Is that how you used to behave? Is that how you used to behave?
No.
Coke 1.5. Is there cocaine inside? Is it alcoholic? Ordinary Coke. Ordinary Coke. 1.5. You are a lazy youth. Is he the president he's talking about? Baby, let's go. My friend, get away. You are selling Coke.
School2.